so sick of having fun. I could never give it up, but what have I become? Tossing and turning in my bed,